In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online for free with no minimum age requirement whatsoever. So you could be 7 years old, you could be 15 years old, you could be 20 years old, 60 years old, and this will still work. So you don't need to have any capital to start things off with. You can start with $0. If you're broke, this is a great way that you can start for free to earn money online. Now, before I get into the content of this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be releasing a ton of value in each and every one of my videos. And remember to hit the notification bell that comes along with the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of all of my video releases in the future. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Now, one of the most common problems I see today that people keep asking me is that they have this mindset that you have to have money, you have to spend money in order to make money. That isn't necessarily the case. Now, this might be true. When you see other people who are succeeding online, they spend on ads because with paid traffic, they get instant results, they can scale, they can use lookalike audiences inside Facebook, they can use Google AdWords, YouTube AdWords. These are very effective ways to make a bigger return on investments. But what if you don't have anything? What if you're broke? You have $0 in your bank account. What could you do today to start making money online? So it's really possible to start with zero without any money at all. And I'm going to show you step by step in this video how you can do it. So it's very possible to start from $0. You don't have anything, you're broke, like most beginners do in the beginning. Or maybe you're looking for ways to save up capital so that you can invest in legitimate businesses like Shopify dropshipping, Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, which is actually the business model that I really love teaching other people and I do myself. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can accomplish this without any money, when you're broke, without any capital investments at all. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Alright, so this method was actually inspired by one of Gary Vee's advices. So he gave an advice that you can flip items, you can get free items from the internet and then you can flip them for a profit by selling them online, by selling them by any means necessary. The point is you get the items for free and then you sell them for a profit. Now, one way you could do this is you could go to Craigslist.com. Now, it's best to search in your local area so that it's easier for you to pick up these stuff. Right, so now I'm inside Google, I typed Craigslist. So for example, if you live in Portland, San Diego, okay, alright, for example, if you live in San Diego, now Craigslist is basically a freelance marketplace. People sell their services online, they sell their pre-owned items, used items, even sometimes new products. But what's interesting in this website, they actually offer a free section down here. So you go to for sale, the for sale section, and you see here, the free section, you click on that. And then you're going to see a full listing of items that are all for free. Like you can see a fridge and a dryer for free, free queen size box spring, what else, recliner sofa chair, cat tree, free dresser. So you can find multiple types of items inside here that are for free. People just want to give it away, they want to get rid of it. So this is an opportunity for you to contact these people and ask them how you could get the items. Now obviously you need to do your research before this. So as I said, you contact the sellers, you look at the condition first, and then you set an appointment when you want to meet, when you want to get the products from them. So the next thing you can do is go to their place with your car or go by public transport, and then you take these items and then you bring them back to your home and then you resell them on online marketplaces. Alright, so another example, let's go to the Portland Craigslist. So the same concept, go to for sale, free, and then when you're inside here, you can see all of these items are in the Portland area that are all free. A wheelchair, free solid oak queen bed. They even have TVs. Alright, so now that I showed you where you could get these items for free on Craigslist, now I'm going to show you where you can actually advertise these products on online marketplaces so that you can sell them for a profit. Now for the first website is eBay. So eBay is a very popular website. People, nearly everyone in the whole wide world knows what eBay is. So you've got a lot of traffic coming into this website over here. Alright, so let's say you found a baby chair. And you type up used baby chair. And people are actually looking for these listings. Right, so when you look down, okay, they're selling these used baby chairs for $100 plus, $69, $45. So you can see the possibility inside this. You can get these free items and then you can sell them on eBay. Right, for the second place that you can sell them is the Facebook Marketplace. So you go into Facebook and you go to Google, type up Facebook Marketplace, you'll end up in here. And then search for the local area that you're in. So let's use the same example. Let's search for baby chairs. So as you can see, these are all baby chairs that have already been used by people. So maybe their babies have already grown up. They don't need the chairs anymore. They're selling them off so they can make a small profit. Alright, so $35, $20, $15. Okay, so you can you place the prices based on what you think is what the perceived value of that item is. Now for the third online marketplace where you can put those free products on is OfferUp.com. Now OfferUp.com is an amazing website where buyers and sellers can buy and sell locally in their local region. Now one of the best features that OfferUp.com offers is that they offer nationwide shipping for free on the seller's end. So you can reach more people, the buyer actually pays for the shipping, and you get paid after the product is sold successfully. Right, so how you can do this is you can list your products inside the shipping section over here. Alright, so when sellers they put their products inside here, they can offer shipping that is handled by OfferUp without actually spending any of their own money to cover the shipping. Right, so the buyer actually covers the shipping for you. So let's look at this video and see how it works.
At OfferUp, we've been on a quest to give local buyers and sellers simpler, safer ways to connect. And it's time for the next big moment in that mission. It's time to give sellers the opportunity to share what they have to offer with buyers nationwide. And give buyers access to items from anywhere with the option to get things shipped to their door. Shipping on OfferUp is about new opportunities to connect and exchange and more choice in how that happens. And it's simple. Sellers can post items in a few easy steps, just like always. Then click Sell and Ship Nationwide to make your shippable item visible to buyers across the country. Buyers can search for items in the shipping category to see what's available from neighborhoods around the US. Just click Ship to Me to connect and make an offer. When the seller accepts, they'll print the shipping label from OfferUp, package up the item, and take it to their nearest US post office. We'll process the buyer's payment when the item is scanned at the post office, and we'll send the tracking numbers so both the buyer and seller can track the item's progress. So what happens when a thriving local marketplace gives buyers and sellers access to items from anywhere? You get more of all the good stuff. More opportunities to find and exchange value, more convenience when it comes to how we exchange that value, and more buying and selling with a real connection at its heart. So go ahead and share what you have to offer. With shipping, there's a whole new world of opportunity and so much to love.
Alright, so as I said, so much to love. So basically you can reach more people. The buyers actually pay for the shipping, and you get paid after the products are sold successfully. So the shipping cost is covered for free. You can reach more people. The buyers actually pay for the shipping, and you get paid after the product is sold successfully. So everything is handled by OfferUp.com. They handle the tracking info, everything there is to know about shipping your items successfully. Now I found this video on YouTube. Actually I first found it on Instagram. It's about a man, a New York man who moved a sofa on a subway. Alright, so as you can see, this man, he actually did this. He took Gary Vee's advice, and I'm not really sure what the circumstances were with this. So maybe he didn't have a couch, maybe he was looking for cash, so he took this couch for free on Craigslist and sold it online. So the point that I'm actually trying to make is there's no excuse not to make money online. So you can't say that, oh, I need money to make money. Like this person, he's doing it. Right, so there's actually a continuation to this video. So as you can see, people are actually laughing at him. If I was there, I wouldn't laugh at this person, because he's hustling. He knows that this is something that he has to do. Alright, so as you can see, he's lifting that very heavy sofa couch by himself, and he uses a wheelchair, a simple wheelchair, to actually help him move it. So he's taking it through the subway, and he actually took it through multiple stops. I hope that this brings motivation to anyone out there who's looking to make money online, but they don't know how. They don't have any money to start with, they're broke. So if this person can do it, I'm sure that anyone out there can do it as well. He's old, he doesn't even look muscular. Alright, so that's it for the video, guys. I hope that this video was very valuable to you. So I'm going to recap. First, you go to Craigslist.com, and then you find the Craigslist in your local region, like for example San Diego, Portland, and then go to the free section down here, for sale, free section. You find these items, make a research, contact the people who are offering these products, and then you get these products by any means necessary, and then you list them on online marketplaces like eBay, the Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp.com, and OfferUp.com, they also offer free shipping on the seller's end, so only the buyer pays for the shipping. So I hope this video brought you so much value. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm going to be releasing more videos like this in the future that would help you out so much. So I think that's all, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.